Hello students, good morning. Are you ready? I am going to discuss determination of Planck constant. Newton plotted a graph between the stopping potential V naught and frequency of light incident on photosensitive materials such as alkaline metals. You can say from the Einstein's photoelectric equation that half mv max square equal to h nu minus nu naught, where nu naught is a threshold frequency. Half mv max square, that is maximum kinetic energy, that is equal to ev naught. Here from equation 1 and 2 you may be write in the place of half mv max square ev naught. Therefore ev naught equal to h minus nu naught, or v naught equal to h by e nu minus h by e nu naught. This is the equation third. From this equation, this is equation of straight line in a graph v naught versus a frequency nu. Therefore slope of this straight line in the form of y equal to mx plus c. Compare, you will get the slope h by e. On comparing the straight line y equal to mx plus c, you will get that slope h, m is slope, here h by e is also slope, equal to tan theta from the figure, that will be bc upon ac, so that h equal to e into bc upon ac by knowing the slope from the graph and keeping the value of charge, electronic charge E, value of E, the value of Planck constant H can be calculated, can be obtained. Any confusion? No. Now come on the next, energy and momentum of photon. We know that rest mass of photon is 0, while the kinetic mass is not 0. Means the rest mass is 0, but kinetic mass of photon is not 0. According to Einstein's mass energy relation, the mass energy relation, that is equal to mc square. The energy of photon equal to mc square given here, equal to h nu, where nu is the frequency of incident frequency of photon. From this m equal to h nu by c square, where c is speed of light, but that is here speed of photon, m equal to h nu by c square, and in the place of nu you can write the nu is c by lambda, means speed upon wavelength of, so that h nu by m equal to h nu by c square equal to c cancel, h by c lambda. This is the kinetic mass of photon. Now the momentum of photon, we know that linear momentum is always equal to the product of mass and velocity. Here linear momentum of the photon will be equal kinetic mass of photon into speed of photon then P equal to m into C. In the place m you can put h nu by c square, c cancel, and this also h by c lambda into c, so that you will get momentum P equal to h nu by c, or h nu means energy, you know that from here, E by c or h by lambda. This is momentum of photon. Now please open your page number 884 of new book. For numerical, here given 30 numerical 37th ISC 2000, when ultraviolet light of wavelength 300 nanometer is incident on a metal plate, a negative potential of 0.5 volt is required to stop the emission of photoelectrons. Listen carefully. When ultraviolet light of wavelength here given 300 nanometer, you can write 300 into 10 power minus 9 meter, and maybe written like this, 3 into 10 power minus 7 meter in SI unit. Incident on metal surface, a negative potential that stop the emission, that is known as stopping potential, that is given 0.54 electron volt. And calculate the energy of incident photon and work function of metal in electron volt. Energy of incident photon, G of incident photon, that equal to h c by lambda, that may be written h 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 into 3 into 10 power 8 upon lambda, that is 3 into 10 power minus 7. This will be in joule, but 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 into 3 into 10 power 8 divided by 3 into 10 power minus 7 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, then this will be in electron volt. Now here you will get 6.6 into 3 into 10 power minus 26 upon 3 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 26. This cancel here. 10 power minus 26 upon 10 power minus 26 cancel. 3 cancel. Now 6.6 point also cancel here. That will be this here, 33 by 8, 4.125 electron volt. This is the answer of the first part. Now come in second part, work function. We know that equation Ek equal to h nu minus w, work function, or Ek equal to Ev naught, when not is Ev naught is stopping potential, so that Ev equal to, that is given here, this volt, this is, so that this become here E into 0.54, that become here 0. Volt equal to 0.254 electron volt, and this is energy of incident photon. You can say h nu equal to hc by lambda. Therefore, put the value 0.L, W equal to, from this equation, W equal to h nu minus Ek. H nu is energy of incident photon, so that W work function equal to 4.125 minus 0.54 electron volt. That will be here 5, that 8, that 5, and this is 3.585 electron volt. All of you complete this question, numerical part. Now come on the question 42, last question of this exercise. Here given a graph like this here, and this is a straight line, this is in Ek, kinetic energy Ek, EV naught, and this frequency nu into 10 power 14. For me are given nu into 10 power 14 hertz. Nu equal to frequency nu into 10 power 14 hertz. Along this, at here given 30, here given 20, this is given 10, and this is given 8, this 6, this 4, this 2, 6, 4, 2, 0, 2, and 4, minus. This is given in graph paper here. In experiment, listen question carefully, please. In an experiment of photoelectric effect, the graph of maximum kinetic energy Ek of emitted photoelectrons versus frequency nu of incident light is a straight line as shown in figure. Now calculate the threshold frequency. The minimum frequency which is required to eject the electron from metal surface, known as threshold frequency nu naught. Nu naught here from the graph, it is very clear that at this 10 into 10 power minus 14 hertz. From the graph, the threshold frequency is that frequency at which maximum kinetic energy of ejected electron 0, means no emission of electron possible. Above this means the minimum frequency of incident light which is required to eject metal electron from the metal surface, known as threshold frequency. So that from the graph it is very clear. Now the stopping potential. Now the work functions, please. Work function W. The intersecting point, this is intersecting point on y dash, so that second work function W equal to 4 electron volt in magnitude. 4 electron volt, because this is given in electron volt here, maximum kinetic energy in electron volt. So that work function from this graph is equal to the 4 electron volt. Means you know that this is a straight line. y equal to mx plus c. That c the intercept, that is equal to the work function w. That work function is w means the minimum energy of incident photon which is required to eject the electron from the metal surface, known as work function. It is generally measured in electron volt. And now third from the graph, here third part of the question, stopping potential for the electron emitted by light of frequency nu equal to the 30 into 10 power 14 second. This is at 30 maximum kinetic energy. We draw the graph on a perpendicular from the 30 into 10 power 14 hertz on the straight line. This intersect at the point B. We draw the perpendicular line on the y-axis from this point. It intersect y-axis at 8, so that maximum kinetic energy is 8 electron volt at frequency this is a frequency 30 into 10 power 14 hertz. This is the question 42. Similarly, all the questions is based on the only the photoelectric equation given by the Einstein are based on the momentum and mass. If any problem, please discuss in live class.